So far I love my IP. Everything cooks wonderfully and it's so convenient. I love that dinner can be done in as fast as 4 minutes, not including prep time. It's so beautiful too. My wife loves it. 5 stars. The Ultra is wonderful because you have the large graph to show you exactly what's going on. I also like the one dial without lots of buttons because it's much simpler to use. It's reliably easy to cook with the 6-quart IP Ultra and it's fun to try new recipes. I find them online and in IP cookbooks. I also joined an Ultra group on Facebook. So far I've made chicken soup, minestrone, pea and bean soups, turkey meatloaf with potatoes, oatmeal with raisins and delicious lemon and vanilla cheesecakes. Very happy I bought it after 6 months of studying all the different kinds and models. The 6-quart Ultra is the one for me. A little warning for a great product at Christmas. Packaging does not do you any favors. I am a student who really needs to cook to save money, but with the normal pressure time and labor-consuming cooker, I cannot balance sleeping hours and cooking time at all. So I bought it to save time. So far I've been used it for over 6 months, and it is a really satisfied purchase. It has several advantages. 1. It has several functions. I usually use it to cook normal rice with veg and meat stew, etc. 2. Really convenient and saves a lot of time. You just put all the materials and put them in the pot, select the mode, and then just go to work. When you come back, you can have a nice and warm meal. I am really satisfied with the pot. Just one thing is that, it would be better if I had 2 of them to cook rice and dishes together. I will save money to buy another one in the future. I'm in love with my new Instant Pot. Cooks very delicious and fast. Finally I can make rice like in restaurants. Lol, if you are busy mom, this is must have. This is a game changer. I made a rack of ribs in less than 30 minutes from start to finish. This isn't your mom's pressure cooker. This thing does everything that you can imagine, from boiling eggs to baking a cake. I was surprised as my pot said burn on the screen and I got scared, but indeed some of my seasoning had burned on the bottom of the pot, but it didn't mess up my meal. You seriously can do about anything in this pot. Great investment on my end! Exclamation mark. Love my Instant Pot. I have made so many things and they've all turned out perfectly, even though I am not always sure what I am doing. Lol. So many recipes and tips available online, so don't be intimidated by this. Such an amazing, useful appliance. Very high quality, easy to use and well thought out design. I was hesitant to purchase, thinking it was all fluff. Well, I am very glad I did. It hasn't paid for itself yet, but it will shortly. The recipe book was handy. The first thing I made was brown rice. Absolutely perfect. Next time I substituted the water for broth. Heavenly. Next I made a half chicken. I was nervous. 8 minutes. Recipe said 10 to 15. Then I took it out and BBQ'd it in the oven. I think I am going to try hard-boiled eggs next. I think it's called steamed though. This was a fabulous investment. Click link in description for more reviews.